Hi, my name is Bekah. Welcome to my video series, Everyday English Every Day. This is the beginner series. We're talking about beach and pool activities. I love the beach. We're going to focus on vocabulary, fun in the sun activities. We're going to practice together. I want you to repeat aloud after me. I live near the beach. I live close to the beach. I live in Costa Rica. I love going to the beach early in the morning. These days, during coronavirus, I usually go to the beach 3 to 4 mornings a week. I go early at 6:30 a.m. a.m. means in the morning. I also love going to sunset. In July, the sun sets at 6:10 p.m. in Costa Rica. Repeat after me. The beach is peaceful and fabulous in the early morning. I arrive at the beach at 6:30 a.m. It is so peaceful. I spend time floating in the water. She is floating in the water. He meditates. Sunsets are always colorful and unique. Something that is colorful has a lot of colors. I see blue and orange and pink and purple. Lots of colors. Something that's unique is different, individual, one and only. We play on the beach. They play in the sand. They climb on the tree trunk. The boy walks on the beach with his dog. He plays frisbee. They play soccer. We play in the water. He does a flip into the water. He surfs. They boogie board. He jumps off the rocks. She swims in the blue ocean. They play in the tide pool. We play in the pool. They dive into the pool. They float on the raft. She swims. She swims in the pool. She is swimming. Love plus a verb with ing. I love going to the beach. I love swimming. He loves walking on the beach. You love surfing. We love playing soccer. All right, guys, keep practicing. Give me a like if you like my video and subscribe to my channel. I have new videos on Monday and now also on Wednesdays. We'll have 2 videos every week. Comment below, ask me questions, or send me an email. Bye-bye. Keep practicing. I hope to see you soon.